Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for 12th Board Science and NEET. First, establish a comprehensive study schedule that realistically covers all your subjects. Next, prioritize topics by their importance in both exams and your personal understanding. It's crucial to thoroughly understand the specific patterns and marking schemes for both the NEET and board examinations. This foundational planning will set you up for success. To truly master the material, prioritize deep conceptual understanding rather than just memorizing facts. Actively engage with the content. Dedicate time daily to practice with multiple choice questions and previous year's papers. This builds speed and accuracy. Consistent and regular revision of all subjects is absolutely essential to solidify your learning and ensure long-term retention of key information. Effective time management is key. Allocate specific, dedicated time slots for each subject every day to ensure balanced preparation. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain sharp focus. Furthermore, prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet for optimal physical and mental performance during this demanding period. For final preparation, consistently solve full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps improve speed and manage pressure. Thoroughly review all essential formulas, diagrams, and key concepts across all subjects. Remember to stay hydrated, and for more great deals, including a fantastic water bottle to keep you refreshed, check out the link in the description below. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.